Feels pretty good. Did you try the apple soup yet? Carrot soup is delicious.
Now, what?
You flooding the case? Try to keep the water in the sink if you can, okay? Thank you. Delicious? Good, huh? You're a good cook. I don't know which I liked better, the apple soup or the carrot soup.
Pick.
I think I like the apple soup.
Apple soup?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Apples coming up. They're very hot.
It's hot?
Just be very careful.
Thank you. Mm. It's hot.
Put in there.
Hmm?
Put in there.
Pucker power.